it in there.
Tell me again. How do you make it this?
You just put some sand inside, then pat it very door.
Okay.
Spread it all over so it can make all over sandcastle.
Okay.
Then flip it up. Pat it very hard.
Okay.
Then take it out.
Wow, you did it.
Yay! I did it, Munya! I did it! Tita, my
Yes.
banana.
Can you show me another one?
Ooh, okay, I'll make this one.
What is this?
I don't know. I don't know what it is. It looks like oval.
It's one of monuments.
Ooh, monuments?
Yes. 7 wonders of the world. It is one of them.
I think it's an oval monument.
But it's a Roman thing, no? Like
My
Romans
ma-
do meeting.
Why it
The
did
first
it?
democracy, first Roman democracy, and the building belongs to that. Okay.
Daddy, my dad.
Okay. Can you tell me how are you doing this?
You just put some soil in, then you just pat it very door,
Okay.
then you flip it over, maybe over here. And you pat it very hard. Then you take this out.
Wow, you did it.
And my
Wow, it's looking very beautiful. But it's some damage. How will you repair this damage? From your hand? Okay. Bye bye.
bye bye.